straight to the next, which is number 7. This is 7a. The sum of three numbers is 81. The second number is twice the first. Given that the third number is 6 more than the second, find the numbers. Okay, let the numbers be P, Q, and R. Now, the sum of the numbers, that means P plus Q plus R, is 81. That means P plus Q plus R equals 81. And at the same time, the second number is twice the first. That means Q is 2 times P. Q is the second and the first is P. So that means Q is 2 times P. Given that the third number is 6 more than the second, find the numbers. If the third, that means R is 6 more than Q. That simply means R equals Q plus 6. Now what do? We want to find the numbers. Now P plus Q plus R equals 81. That means P plus Q, which is the same as 2P. Okay, maybe I should start this way. Let me rewrite that equation. P plus Q plus R equals 81. That means P plus, I know that Q is 2P, so that's what I'm going to write, plus R is Q plus 6. So I write that Q plus 6 equals 81. But Q is 2P, so I'm going to write that as 2P too. I'm also going to write that as 2P. That means Q plus 2P. That means P plus 2P plus Q, which is the same as 2P, plus 6 equals 81. And that simply means P plus 2P, that's 3P, plus 2P, that's 5P. That simply means 5P plus 6 equals 81, which means 5P equals 81 minus 6. And that simply means 5P equals 75, which means P is equal to, P will be 15. Now if P is 15, Q will be 2 times P, which is 2 times 15, and that's 30. And R will be Q plus 6, which means 30 plus 6, which is 36. Therefore the numbers are 15, 30, and 36. And that's it. So we go straight to the next, which is B. Given the points P with coordinate 3, 5 and Q with coordinate, Q has coordinates minus 5, 7 on the Cartesian plane, such that R with coordinates xy is the midpoint of PQ. Let me just sketch that. Let this be let this be P with coordinates 3, 5, and this be Q. Let me draw it this way. Let this be P with coordinates 3, 5, and this be Q with coordinates minus 5, 7. R is the midpoint of PQ, and it has coordinates xy. It has coordinates xy. Now, find the equation of the line. R is the midpoint of PQ. Find the equation of the line that passes through R and is perpendicular to PQ. Okay, let this be the line that passes through R, which is perpendicular to PQ. Let this be that line. That's the line that passes through R and is perpendicular to PQ. If it's perpendicular to PQ, that means this is a right angle. Now, how do we find the equation of that line? First of all, I need to find the coordinates of R, and that means the coordinate of R. What we do is that's simply x1 plus x2 over 2, comma y1 plus y2 over 2, and that's 3 plus minus 5, which is 3 minus 5 over 2, and then 5 plus 7 over 2. That's it. That's how you find the coordinates of the midpoint of a line. And that simply means this is minus 2 over 2, that's minus 1, and this will be 12 over 2, which is 6. So now we know the coordinate of r. Then we can find the equation of the line. First of all, let the gradient of PQ be m1 and the gradient of the line which passes through r be m2. So let me find, how do I find m1? m1 is y2 minus y1, that's 7 minus 5 over x2 minus x1, which is minus 5 minus 3. Minus 5 minus 3, and that simply means 7 minus 5 is 2 over minus 8, which simply means minus 1 over 4. So if that's m1, we know that if two lines are perpendicular, the product of their gradient is minus 1. That means m2 will be equal to minus 1 over m1, which simply means minus 1 divided by minus 1 over 4, and that's simply 4. Now the equation of the line which passes through r1, which is this line, this one, the line which passes through r1, is now given by, that's a formula for finding the equation of the line 1 point form, and that's y minus y1 equals m into x minus x1, where here m is m2, and that simply means y minus y1, it passes through the point r which has coordinates x1, and that will be minus 1, 6. X1 is minus 1 and y1 is 6. So that simply means y minus 6 equals m, which is 4, into brackets x minus x1. That's x minus minus 1, and that simply means y minus 6 equals 4 into brackets x plus 1, which means y minus 6 equals 4x plus 4, and that simply means y equals 4x plus 4 plus 6. When you take minus 6 to the right hand side, it becomes plus 6, and that means y equals 4x plus 10, and that's the equation of the line which passes through r with coordinates xy and is perpendicular to PQ. Alright, that's it, very, very simply. Now we'll take a breather and then come back for the next. Thank you very much, and I'll catch you in the next. Bye bye.